This message came in this morning, and it reads, "Good day, Lion King and the house. This can grinding noise within the engine be caused by flat top gaskets? By top gasket, I believe you meant engine cylinder head gasket. Okay, see, if you actually mean grinding sound or grinding noise coming from inside the engine, because I can't say what you mean by within the engine. So if that noise is actually coming from inside the engine, and if you're actually referring to the real grinding noise, because yeah, I wouldn't know if what you mean by grinding noise is different from what I think is grinding noise. How do I even make that sound? I don't know how to explain. But those who know will understand what I mean by grinding sound. Grinding metal by metal, running each on each other, grinding. There's a way grinding. How do I, it's just like listening to a grinding machine. If it's actually coming from inside engine, not outside, if the noise is coming from inside the engine, then see, it's not the idea of cylinder head gasket is just by the way. Just forget about it. So I'll be telling you, consider rebuilding the engine or replacing the engine. Overheating or head gasket, flat head gasket, I don't think it has anything to do with that kind of sound. Don't have anything to do with that. To the best of my knowledge, unless there's other people have a different experience contrary to what I know. So, um, if your gasket fails, the overheating sound is different, but not grinding. Not, I don't think it has anything to do. Whoever hear a grinding sound, ka 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 ka. It's as if your engine is on very high gear, and no, it's like let's assume uh, you're on you're running 20 kilometers per hour. I will now shift from gear 1 to gear 5. That kind of sound it makes, ka 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 ka. This thing will now take the car a while to eventually, it may even stall. That's what I mean by uh, overheating sound. So if that's what you call grinding sound, maybe, yeah, S gasket will cause that. If your engine, you see, the thing is, I don't know what you mean by grinding sound. But if actually what you mean, that if what you're saying is actually that true grinding sound that I know, just go and look for another engine or talk about rebuilding the engine. All right.